I want to share with you my 12 favorite tools that I actually use in my kitchen. This isn't about gadgets or gimmicks. These are the actual tools that make cooking easier, better, and way more enjoyable for me. At number 12, the ceramic blade handheld mandolin. If you care about clean cuts and even cooking, this tool changes everything. The mandolin gives you precision that's almost impossible to match by hand. Paper thin onions, uniform potatoes, shaved vegetables. Every slice is identical, which means food cooks evenly and looks better on the plate. It's also a massive time saver when you're cooking for more than just yourself. Once you start using one, you'll realize how much consistency matters. Just remember one rule: be careful, this tool is sharp, fast, and absolutely worth respecting. Number 11, KitchenAid Mixer. This is the tool that quietly does all the heavy lifting. The KitchenAid Mixer is like having an extra set of hands in the kitchen. Doughs, batters, whipped cream, fillings, things that would take serious effort by hand suddenly become effortless and consistent. That consistency is what really matters. You get the same result every time. Once this earns a spot on your counter, it stops feeling like an appliance and starts feeling like a part of the workflow. Number 10, the Microplane. This is the tool that finishes food. Microplane doesn't dominate a dish, it refines it. Shaves instead of tears, so cheese melts, citrus releases oils cleanly, and spices integrate smoothly. You're adding brightness and depth without overwhelming anything. It's fast, precise, and always within reach. And once you cook with one regularly, food feels incomplete without it. This isn't optional, it's how good dishes become memorable. Number 9, the Vitamix Blender. A great blender that gives you control over texture, and that's everything. The Vitamix lets you build smoothness instead of destroying ingredients. Soups turn velvety, vinaigrettes emulsify perfectly, and sauces come together exactly how you want them. Variable speed means you decide the result, not the machine. Once you experience that level of control, you stop thinking of a blender as a tool. It becomes part of how you cook. Number 8, the Shun chef's knife. Sharpener and steel. This is the foundation of everything. The chef knife is the first tool you reach for, and the last one you put away. It handles the majority of the prep, slicing, chopping, mincing, and when it's sharp, everything feels easier and safer. What matters most isn't the brand or the price, but how it feels in your hand. Keep it sharp, respect it, and this one tool will carry your cooking further than anything else in the kitchen. Number 7, Silpat baking mat and silicone bread mat. These solve problems before they happen. The Silpat gives you even baking and zero sticking. The bread mat keeps dough work clean and controlled. No scraping pans, no flour explosions, no frustration. Just predictable results and easy cleanup. Once you use these, going back to bare trays and countertops feels really unnecessary. Number 6, the Sous Vide wand. This tool removes all the guesswork. Sous vide lets you cook by temperature instead of timing, which changes everything. Proteins come out perfectly, cooked edge to edge every single time. You focus on seasoning and finishing instead of worrying about doneness. It's precision cooking made simple, and once you trust it, your confidence in the kitchen skyrockets. Number 5, the Le Creuset Dutch oven. If there's one pot that can do it all, this is it. The Dutch oven holds heat beautifully and cooks evenly across the board. Soups, stews, braised meats, and breads, it moves from stovetop to oven without hesitation. It's durable, reliable, and built to last for decades. This isn't just cookware, it's long-term investment in how you cook. Number 4, the ThermoPen. This tool replaces guessing with certainty. Cooking isn't about time, it's about temperature. Whether you're reverse searing a steak or roasting a large cut, a quick, accurate read tells you exactly where you are. No stress, no second guessing. Once you use one regularly, you'll wonder why you ever cooked without it. Number 3, the Cuisinart cast iron grill press. If you want proper crust, weight matters. This press gives you full contact and even pressure where it counts. Smash burgers, grilled sandwiches, pressed proteins, you get better browning, better texture instantly. It's heavy, it's simple, and incredibly effective. One of these tools that does exactly what it promises. Number 2, the Vidalia Chop Wizard. This tool is about making easy work out of chopping vegetables. The Chop Wizard makes quick, uniform work out of onions, peppers, and garlic, especially when you're cooking in volume. One press, clean cuts, and you're moving on. Could you do it with a knife? Sure, but this keeps prep moving on busy nights. Anything that gets people cooking more at home deserves respect, and this one earns it. Number 1, the Boroughs Furnace Iron Skillet. Once prep is done, everything comes down to heat, and this pan delivers. Cast iron heats fast, cooks evenly, and develops a natural non-stick surface with use. You get incredible sear, crispy edges, and total versatility. Stovetop, oven, and even open flame. Cleanup is simple, durability is unmatched, and once this is in your kitchen, it becomes the pan you reach for without thinking. And for a bonus, the Cuisinart Handheld Immersion Blender. This is one of those tools that you don't think about until the day you don't have it. The Immersion Blender is pure power and control in your hand. You can blend soups directly in the pot, smooth out sauces in seconds, or whip up dressings without pulling out a full blender or food processor. No transfers, no extra dishes, no mess. Once you have this in your kitchen, you stop working around blending and start cooking more freely. It's quiet, fast, and incredibly capable. The kind of tool that earns its keep without ever asking for attention. These are the tools I actually use every single week. If any of them caught your eye, I've linked everything down below in the description. If there's a tool that you swear by that I didn't mention, drop it in the comments. I'm always curious what other cooks are reaching for. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. There's a lot more cooking coming.